What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the Civic, we are actually going to put some LEDs into the cluster. I got it from Super Bright LED. But yeah, off the camera, I've been doing some work on it. I've, put a new fender on it, and I've also taken out some of the AC components, but trying to make the car a little better. As you can tell, it's got a black fender now. I will eventually paint the car black. I got the bumper fitting a little better, but I'll show you what I did. Alright, so basically I took the AC out and everything. I do need to take out those lines. I do want to convert the Y8 manifold on this, just because of eventually I do want to go turbo on it and just see what I could do on just stock motor. And I do want to paint the engine bay because it's all red right now. I want to paint it black, but I did get a new jack. Got it from Harbor Freight. It was a pretty good deal. So basically, to do the LEDs, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hop in here, and let me take the steering wheel off. There's gonna be 2 screws right up here. You're gonna take those off, and then there's 4 screws, and then the cluster will come out. Alright, so now that we got the 4 screws out, there's a screw up there, there, and there. You're just gonna want to pull it out carefully, and then you want to disconnect this blue clip and this blue clip. Alright, so now that you have it out, there's going to be a total of 4 LEDs that you're going to want to take out. So it's going to be this one, this one, this one, and this one. There are lights up here, but I'm not going to change those because they don't even work. And for the color I'm doing, I just want to see how they actually are going to turn out. So let me swap them, and we will see how they look. Alright, so I messed up and I needed to order another 194 bulb. So I'm going to order that. So then right here, well, it should be orange, just like these. I went with the orange just because it's different than what normal people just put in. They just put in like the white or like a crazy different color. So basically I gotta order that, and hopefully that'll come in. But I forgot to show you, I did get a new cover plate, like the CD delete, because my CD player's down there now. I do actually want to get a new shifter. But yeah, that kind of sucks because now well, some things don't work out. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this little short little video. It was kind of a fail, but it happens. So I'm gonna order that up right now, and then once it comes in, then I'll show you the final product. And then we will move on to the next. I do want to get a short shifter real soon, just because I don't like the shifter that's on there. But yeah, you know, the car, it's coming along pretty well. I just need to sand all this down and everything, repaint the spoiler, gotta fix the rust. But yeah, besides that, you know, I got all winter to fix this thing, so you know, hopefully you guys like this little video, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.